Mike on YouTube is asking, how do I compete with companies charging 40 cents a foot for hot rubber crack sealing?
Well, it's differentiation, right? It's differentiation. I don't know, we're always working to improve the industry standard. This is why we're doing what we do and why we provide these seal coating business packages, is because we want to have an impact on the industry in a positive way. We want to help people get off on the right foot and grow this industry together, not just beat it down. So somebody who's charging 40 cents a linear foot for crack sealer, I would say, how many linear feet are they crack sealing? If it's 100,000 square feet of crack sealing, they might be quoting 40, 50 cents a linear foot, but their cost is running at 14 to 16 cents a foot. So you gotta, just what are they actually, what kind of job are they doing, so to speak? But how would you compete against them? I would differentiate. I would I'd provide an extremely professional proposal. I would shake their hand. I would send video messages through text message. I would send them, be somebody that's different than somebody who's just out there to make a quick buck. Let's say, be professional, brand yourself, take pride in what you do, and speak to somebody about what it is that you're doing for them from a problem solving perspective. That's what I would recommend. And you know what? If the client ends up going that route, you tell the client, you know what, I'll always be here for you no matter what. If it's a poor application because they didn't clean the cracks properly to make sure those cracks were free of all dirt and debris so that the crack sealer could bond to the sidewalls, creating a watertight seal. If they didn't do that and the rubber starts peeling out in a year, well, you're going to be there as that person that client will call on for future business.